Okay, why? Yeah, why I split the video? To don't be huge? Probably, yeah, that's right. Okay, anyhow, now pistons, wrist pin, connecting rods, connecting bolts, the C-safe, the connecting bearings, piston rings. Okay, one stock piston to guide the piston ring inside, to square it. Lower bearings, upper bearings, crankshaft main bearings, thrust washers, not for now. The two pins to align the head gasket and the cylinder head in place. The other two pins here for the guide in place. Helicoil here, and another three from the hot side. There is 1, 2, 3. Okay, splendid. The plugs remaining, not now the plugs, like I said, washing it and after washing it. And I might have to take care about this a little bit if it has any. It's, you see what I'm saying. Wait, what I'm saying is this. That's what I'm saying here. This one that has some metallic savings here. These are good to go away. Not with this tool. This is just only to show you how it looks like. Yeah, even the surface finishing, I didn't touch the deck. Okay, I didn't do nothing. It is how I receive it. It's, well, that's a little bit better, I guess. It's like you sanded with a wire wool, with sandpaper. This, like I'm saying, like I said also for the what did I say earlier? For the volume, for the compressor ratio. Okay. Each imperfection that has here, where it's sealing the head gasket, this is why it's rough. Also, this is rough. I don't know if you can see, I can feel this. All these imperfections, when it's increasing the pressure inside of the cylinder, inside the combustion chamber, with a combination pressures and temperatures that are going together, okay, the fire is gonna find the weakest point. This is like a glue. Maybe it's gonna go away, this one. So after washing it might go away. We're gonna see. The fire is gonna find the weakest point. Which one's the weakest point? From wherever it's gonna be the weakest point and pass the flame out, there we're gonna burn the head gasket. Okay, so like I set this back in place. Piston, okay, I show you this. The book I have it there, but not for now. I'm ready, standing by for the pistoning gap. Yep, moving on. First the pistoning gap, then the measurements, the weight, and this kind of stuff. Because I'm gonna remove some materials from the piston rings, not something crazy, but it is what it is. Moving on. Top piston ring, inside all of them 0.1 of millimeter. You don't want to keep it at 0.1 of millimeter. Trust me. It's not gonna be. You're not gonna have a happy end. Now, since I measured how much it is here, let's get it out, mark it in place, and start machining it. Back inside of the engine room. Where was I? I was outside. They're stopping me and then I'm coming back again inside. It's important thing, one thing it's important actually, that before I stop here, what I'm doing, let us say I'm measuring the pistons, I measure the wrist pin. I'm not stopping something in the middle. I'm writing down the paper, and when I'm coming back, I have prepared, let us say, this connector. This is the number 56, okay? And I know that I'm gonna start from the connector because that's what's remaining. Piston rings, gapped, and get the weight. Pistons, wrist pin, C-safe, connector bolts, connector bearings, the connectors remaining. Nothing more, nothing less. Moving on. Okay, like the last DAZA with the same piston, same connecting rods, what I have from piston to piston plus minus 0.35 grams. That means it's 0.7 grams the heavier and 0 the lighter, let us say. 0.15 gram plus minus the wrist pin and 0.55 gram the connecting rods. Amazing, excellent. I'm gonna start trusting these parts, and honestly you don't even have to balance anything because you're gonna be within less than 1 gram. Since I have the numbers, I will gonna do it. It's not bad. I'm not removing material like I'm saying all the time. I don't want to end up the heavy wrist pin with a heavy piston on the heavier small end connector. You're gonna tell me how it's gonna happen this one. Example, you're gonna be 0.15 with 0.55 with 0.35. You're gonna be 1 gram more heavy on the small end. Example, as an example, all right. The big end, it's excellent. Has some, it's not even 0.5, it's 0.2 grams on the big end. Beautiful, excellent. All the bolts are the same. That's why you don't see a number over there. Same thing also with the C-safe. You don't hear me obviously. Let me take care about the tools, write down and married. Then I have the piston rings here, yeah, also this. I need an nylon bag to put them inside until it comes the time to close it, yeah. That's it for now. That's it, that's all. Excellent. Not bad. I get used to it with these numbers with different piece connecting rods, not with this, but it's welcome. When it's like this, it's welcome. Even, let us say, if somebody didn't didn't get the weight, let us say, from the parts and he put it blindly inside, you're not gonna be that much off. You're gonna be, in the worst case scenario, 1 gram. Very good, nice, thank you.